Unpacking WISPR Ranger Pro. Open WISPR Ranger Pro case. Your Ranger Pro is safely housed in a custom Pelican case. Open this case by releasing the 7 latches surrounding the case. Attach landing gear. The first step is attaching the landing gear that is stored on top and right of the drone. The drone has 2 pegs to guarantee proper placement of landing gear. Make sure to face the Velcro piece on the outside. Once in place, connect the landing gear to the drone using the red fastener and repeat for the other leg. Attach antennas to landing gear. Take the antennas that are wired to the drone and Velcro to the side of the landing gear on both sides. Remove drone from case. You are now ready to take your drone out. Lift straight up by holding the landing gear. Remove packing arm bracket. The arms of the drone are held in place by brackets that connect one arm to the adjacent one while also holding the propellers together. Release the Velcro on the propellers and pop the bracket off the arms. Repeat for all 4 arms. Fully extend arms. You are ready to fully extend all 4 arms. Lock arm brackets. Once the arms are extended, lock them in place with the bracket and do tension check on each one to ensure it is locked. Powering the WISPR Ranger Pro. Remove battery from case. Take your battery out of its designated slot in the case. Insert battery and Velcro strap. Slide the battery into the tray with the split wires on the right side. Take the strap through the 2 wires and through the front arm of the battery tray and back through to secure. Make sure to strap the charging plug on the left firmly to the back of the battery to avoid unnecessary vibrations during the mission, and plug the battery into the drone. WISPR Ground Control Basic Operations. Power on Smart Controller. Start by turning on the Smart Controller with the Start button, which is the 3rd button from the left. The controller will power up, giving you the date and time. Open WISPR Ground Control by sliding up on the screen. You will see the WISPR Ground Control icon. Click it to open. WGC monitors battery and electronics health with fail-safes in place to protect the user and the aircraft. Fail-safes trigger return to launch. WISPR Ground Control monitors battery and electronics health that will trigger a return to launch fail-safe if there is any issue. You can check these by clicking the temperature gauge and the battery icons at the top of the screen. Battery health status post-flight. After you run a mission, you will receive a notification on the controller regarding battery health. Flight mode buttons. A is loiter flight mode and is the default mode that uses the drone's GPS. B is altitude hold flight mode, which does not use GPS. The home button will return the drone to the launch point, commonly referred to as RTL. C is auto land and will land the drone safely for you wherever you are. D is the auto mission or continue mission button. Left joystick controls. Arming, taking off, and gaining altitude. Holding the left joystick down and to the right will arm the drone. You will hear an audible confirmation the drone is armed. Once the drone is armed, push up on the left joystick to gain altitude. Decreasing altitude. To decrease altitude, pull the left joystick straight down. To rotate counterclockwise, pull the left joystick directly to the left. Rotate clockwise. To rotate clockwise, Push the left joystick to the right. Manual landing and disarming. To land manually, pull down on the left joystick. Take your time and land the drone slow and safe. Disarm the drone by holding the left joystick down and to the left. Right joystick controls. Strafe forward. Push the right joystick forward to strafe forward. Strafe backwards. Pull the right joystick down to strafe backwards. Strafe right. Strafe right by moving the right joystick to the right. Strafe left. Strafe left by moving the joystick to the left.